Hi students, welcome to Narayana's amazing assignment sessions. Today our amazing assignment session is of revision assignment, I would say. Revision assignment is for class 4 from plants making and storing food, textbook page number 10. Okay, we will have some task here, we have some tasks to be done here. We'll do that. Okay. The first task here is choose the correct answer. Some questions are provided, along with that some options are given. We are going to choose the correct option for it. Okay, let's start now. The first question: extra food prepared by the plants is stored in the form of. We know that plants prepare their own food, and the food prepared is stored in different parts of the plant. Okay, different parts of the plant. What do we call that stored food? Let us see the options. Glucose, starch, water vapor. A. It is glucose, starch, water vapor, and A. What is glucose? It is the food prepared by the plant in the process of photosynthesis. During the process of photosynthesis, plants prepare food in the form of glucose and utilize it. And extra food which is prepared is stored in the form of, yes, in the form of starch. So our option is B. We got our answer B. Moving on to the second one. Plants use the stored food to produce. The stored food in the parts of the plant is how it is used by the plant. Is it to produce water or glucose or fruits and vegetables, or else all the options given? Water and glucose are not the answers. Water is the required material or required factor for the photosynthesis. Glucose is the form of food prepared by the plant, whereas the stored food is used by the plant to produce the various parts such as fruits and vegetables. So our option is C. Now third question, choose the correct statement. Statements are given, we are going to choose the correct of it. Okay, plants store the food in the form of starch. Okay, option B, plants use the stored food when they cannot prepare food. Option C, starch is stored in different parts of the plant. All the above. If you see the plant, when it is preparing the food is stored in the form of starch. That is true. And the stored food is used by the plants when they are not participating in the photosynthesis, or photosynthesis is not done by the plant. And the starch which is stored in different parts of the plant. All the three are correct. So option D is our answer. Our answer is option D. We move on to the next question. Non-green plants get their food from. We have not only green plants, we have some non-green plants which cannot prepare their own food because of lack of chlorophyll. How they will get their food? We see the options: dead plants and animals, stale food, green plants, both A and B. These plants grow on dead plants and animals, that we know, and also they grow on the stale food. What do you mean by stale food? Which is stored for a long time. Okay, so our options are A and B. So our answer is option D. Now coming to the fifth question. Which of the following cannot prepare its own food? As I said, some plants cannot prepare their own food because they don't have chlorophyll. Let us see what are the options. Hibiscus, mushroom, lotus, and maize. If all these four, you can see mushroom. Mushroom is a tiny or white colored plant, or in some other colors also we find. It does not have any chlorophyll, so it cannot prepare its own food. So our option is B. Okay. Sixth question. Moles cannot prepare their own food because moles are also a form of non-green plants. Why they are not able to prepare their own foods? Let us see the options. They have more food in them. They don't have chlorophyll. They have more water. None of these. As I just said, non-green plants, they don't prepare their own food. They cannot prepare their own food because they have no chlorophyll in them. They don't have any chlorophyll. So option B is the correct answer. Now moving on to the seventh question. Which of the following plants have chlorophyll in its stem? Some plants have chlorophyll in their stem, because of which they appear green in color. The stem appears green in color, and photosynthesis carried out in the stem. What are the options? Moss, mushroom, cactus, potato. Moss, mushroom, cactus, and potato. Okay, moss is a non-flowering plant, mushroom is a non-green plant, cactus is a desert plant, and potato is a underground stem. Okay, our option is cactus which have stem in green in color. So option C. 8th question. Choose the true statement from the following. Choose the true statement from the following again. Plants depend on sunlight for food. Plants depend on sunlight for food. Yes, it is true. Animals receive energy from plants. Yes, it is true. Energy flow takes place between plants and animals. This is also true. We depend on animals and plants. Animals also depend on plants for their food. Similarly, plants depend on animals for carbon dioxide. So all the three statements are true. So our option is D. With this, we came to the end of the session today. Okay, we'll meet again. Till then, stay safe at home. Thank you.